Tired of spending hours cleaning your floors every week? In 2026, you don't have to. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners of 2026, smart, powerful, and fully automated cleaning machines designed to keep your home spotless with almost zero effort. Number 5. The Liectroux/Lilin X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a smart home cleaning device designed for efficient sweeping and mopping. With advanced LDS LiDAR laser navigation and strong suction power, it provides precise mapping and deep cleaning performance for modern homes. Robot Face Key Features: LDS LiDAR laser navigation, accurate mapping, and smart route planning for full home coverage. 6,500 pascals strong suction power, deep cleaning for dust, debris, and pet hair. Multi-floor mapping system, supports multiple floor plans for different rooms or levels. Y-shape wet mopping function, improved stain removal with simulated hand scrubbing motion. Smart app control, control cleaning modes, schedules, and maps via mobile app. Multilingual voice feedback, easy operation with voice prompts in multiple languages. Auto recharge function, automatically returns to charging station when battery is low. Number 4. The Liectroux/Lilin C30B is a smart robot vacuum cleaner designed for efficient home cleaning with advanced AI navigation and strong suction power. It combines vacuuming and mopping functions, making it suitable for modern households that need automated floor care. Robot Face Key Features: AI Smart Map Navigation, intelligent route planning for full area coverage. Memory Mapping System, saves floor plans for faster and smarter cleaning next time. Smart Partition Cleaning, allows selective room or zone cleaning via app. 6,000 pascals strong suction power, deep cleaning for dust, dirt, and pet hair. Electric Water Tank, controlled water flow for efficient wet mopping. Wi-Fi app control, full control of schedules, modes, and maps via smartphone. Auto recharge function, returns to charging dock automatically when battery is low. Number 3. The Robot Vacuum H40 is a high-performance smart cleaning robot designed for deep and precise home cleaning. With ultra-strong suction and advanced LDS navigation, it delivers efficient vacuuming and mopping in one compact device. Robot Face Key Features: 10,000 pascals ultra-strong suction, deep cleaning power for dust, debris, and pet hair. LDS laser navigation system, high-precision mapping for accurate and efficient route planning. 2-in-1 cleaning function, vacuuming plus mopping for complete floor care. Smart Path Planning, optimize cleaning routes for full coverage with fewer missed spots. Multi-surface cleaning, works on tiles, wood, marble, and carpets. Auto recharge system, returns to charging dock automatically when battery is low. App control support, control cleaning modes, schedules, and maps via smartphone. Number 2. The ABIR X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a smart 2-in-1 cleaning device designed for efficient vacuuming and mopping. With visual navigation and strong suction power, it provides reliable and intelligent home cleaning for various floor types. Robot Face Key Features: visual navigation system, smart path tracking for efficient and organized cleaning. 6,000 pascals strong suction, deep cleaning performance for dust, dirt, and pet hair. App control with virtual barrier, set no-go zones, and customize cleaning areas. 2-in-1 vacuum and mop function, sweeping and wet mopping in one device. Smart home cleaning mode, automatic floor adjustment for different surfaces. Multi-surface compatibility, works on tiles, wood, marble, and carpets. Auto recharge function, returns to charging dock when battery is low. Number 1. The Liectroux T9 2026 upgrade is an advanced robot vacuum cleaner designed for powerful and intelligent home cleaning. With upgraded navigation, strong suction, and anti-tangle technology, it delivers efficient vacuuming and mopping for modern households. Robot Face Key Features: LDS laser navigation system, accurate mapping and smart route planning for full home coverage. 6,500 pascals strong suction power, deep cleaning for dust, dirt, and pet hair. Multi-floor mapping, stores multiple floor layouts for different levels of the home. Carpet Boost technology, automatically increases suction power on carpets. Anti-tangle brush design, reduces hair clogging and improves cleaning efficiency. 2-in-1 vacuum and mop function, sweeping and wet mopping in one device. App control support, customize cleaning modes, schedules, and zones via smartphone.